click on your image. At the top, go to Background Remover and remove the background of your image. The reason why we want to do this is because if we create an outline with the background in it, then the outline is going to encompass the entire image square frame. And unless you want that, we only want to outline the image of the foreground, which in this case is this person. So once I do that, I can come over to the left-hand side, go to Apps, and search for Image Outline. Click on the Image Outliner app. I'm going to select my image. So here I can add colors to my outline. So I can determine what color I want my outline to be. If you have the hex code, you can enter it here. So you can preview it on the top to see what it looks like. You can adjust the outline width. You can adjust the opacity levels. You can also adjust the blur levels as well. Now let's say you want to add even more outlines to this. So you want to add multiple layers of outlines. You can come over to Add Layer, and you can introduce a second color to your outline. So you can choose the style of the outline. Let me go ahead and make it a little bit wider so you can see what it looks like here. Let me adjust some of these parameters here. Looks pretty good. And you can keep adding layers to this if you want. You can also see what it looks like with the hollow outline effect checked. And that's what it looks like if it were a hollow outline. So I'm just going to uncheck that and add this to my design. And now I've created a new design with the outline outlining the image here. One quick thing I want to make note of, when you do a background remover, there is a crown symbol at the top, which means that if you're on the free plan, you will have to be able to upgrade to the pro plan to be able to use this background remover feature. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.